Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor Channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to GFX English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. It's so wonderful to be here with you all today.
It's great to have you here, Alex. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for joining us today. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, we really are. And today, we have a very special topic for you all.
We do. So, Alex, are you ready for today's topic?
I am very ready, Emily. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to talk about how to use please and thank you correctly in English.
Oh, I love this topic. Please and thank you. Two of the most important words in the English language.
They really are. These two small words can make a very big difference.
Yes, they show respect, kindness, and good manners.
Exactly. And knowing when and how to use them correctly is so important.
Yes, not just in English, but in any language. But today, we focus on English.
And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to our channel, GFX English Learning Mentor Channel.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us so much.
It truly does. Okay, Alex, let's start with the word please.
Please. Such a simple word, but so powerful.
It really is. So, what does please do in a sentence?
Please makes a request more polite. It softens what you are asking for.
Exactly. Without please, a request can sound like a demand.
Yes. For example, if you say, "Give me that," it sounds very direct, maybe even rude.
But if you say, "Can you give me that, please?" it sounds polite and friendly.
A big difference. Just one word changes everything.
It really does. So where do we put please in a sentence?
Please can go at the beginning or at the end of a sentence.
At the beginning or at the end. Let's look at some examples.
At the beginning, you can say, "Please pass me the salt."
Please pass me the salt. Very polite.
Or at the end, you can say, "Pass me the salt, please."
Pass me the salt, please. Also very polite. Both are correct.
Yes, both work perfectly. It is your choice where to put it.
And sometimes please goes in the middle of a sentence too.
Oh, yes. For example, can you please help me with this?
Can you please help me with this? Yes, please in the middle also sounds very natural.
So please can go at the beginning, middle, or end. Very flexible word.
Very flexible. Now, let's talk about some common situations where we use please.
Great idea. The first situation is ordering food or drinks.
Yes, when you are at a restaurant or a cafe, you use please a lot.
For example, can I have a coffee, please? Or I would like a glass of water, please.
Very natural and very polite. The shop assistant or waiter will appreciate it.
They really will. And another situation is asking for help.
Yes, when you need help from someone, you always add please.
For example, can you help me, please? Or could you explain that again, please?
Could you explain that again, please? A very useful phrase for English learners. Yes, if you do not understand something, always feel free to ask.
Absolutely. And another situation is making requests at work or school.
Yes, for example, please send me the report. Or please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Yes, teachers say this a lot.
Yes, they do, and students hear it a lot.
Very true. And another common situation is asking for directions.
Yes, when you are lost and need directions, you say, "Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the station, please?" Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the station, please? very polite and very complete. Yes, excuse me and please together make it very respectful. Exactly. Now, there is one more very important use of please.
Oh, what is that?
When someone offers you something and you want to accept it, you say please. Oh, yes. For example, someone says, "Would you like some tea?" And you say, "Yes, please." Yes, please, a natural and polite response. Yes, it is much better than just saying yes or give it to me.
Yes. Yes, please is the perfect answer when someone offers you something.
And on the other side, if you do not want it, you say, "No, thank you."
No, thank you. Yes, also very polite. We will talk more about thank you in a moment.
Yes, but first, let's also talk about the tone of please.
The tone, yes, this is very important. Because please does not always sound polite. It depends on your tone of voice. That is so true. If you say please with a frustrated or impatient tone, it can actually sound rude.
Yes, for example, if you say, "Please, just do it," with an annoyed voice, it does not sound polite at all.
Not at all. So please remember, the word please alone is not enough. Your tone matters too.
Your tone matters so much. Say please with a warm and friendly voice.
Always. A smile in your voice makes please even more powerful.
A smile in your voice. I love that. Yes, so true.
Now, let's move on to thank you, another incredibly important phrase.
Thank you. Yes, we use this all the time, every single day.
We do. So when do we say thank you?
We say thank you when someone does something nice for us, when someone helps us, when someone gives us something.
Exactly. It is a way of showing gratitude, appreciation.
Gratitude. Yes, feeling grateful and expressing it.
So let's look at some common situations where we use thank you.
Okay, first situation. When someone helps you.
Yes. For example, someone holds the door open for you. You say thank you.
Simple and natural. And they might say, "You are welcome."
You are welcome. Yes, that is the most common response to thank you.
Or they might say, "No problem," or "Don't mention it."
No problem, don't mention it. Both very casual and friendly responses.
Yes, all mean the same thing. I am happy to help. It was no trouble.
Exactly. And another situation is when someone gives you a gift.
Yes, you always say, "Thank you so much. I love it."
Thank you so much. Adding so much makes it feel more sincere and warm.
Yes, thank you so much is stronger than just thank you.
And you can also say thank you very much. Also very common.
Thank you very much. Yes, a classic and always appropriate phrase.
And what about in a more formal situation, like at work or in a professional email?
In a formal situation, you might say, "I am very grateful for your help."
I am very grateful. Yes, grateful is a more formal word for thankful.
Or you might say, "I really appreciate it." Or, "I appreciate your help."
I appreciate it. Yes, appreciate is another wonderful word for showing gratitude.
Very commonly used in professional English. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support.
Exactly. Very useful for emails and formal conversations. And in a very casual situation with friends, you might just say thanks or cheers. Cheers. Yes, that is very British English. Very casual. Yes, in the UK, people say cheers to mean thank you all the time. Yes, I learned that. It surprised me at first. Yes, it can be confusing because cheers also means something else. Yes, when people raise their glasses to drink together, they also say cheers. Exactly. So cheers can mean thank you, or it can be a toast when drinking. Context is everything. Yes, context is always important in English. Now, let's talk about saying thank you in a shop or restaurant. Yes, very common situation. When a waiter brings your food, you say thank you. Yes, and when a shop assistant helps you find something, you say thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. That is a very complete and warm phrase. And what about in a more formal situation back? They usually say, you are welcome, or my pleasure. My pleasure. Oh, I love that response. It sounds so warm and professional. Yes, my pleasure means I was happy to help you. It was a pleasure for me. Very elegant response, and also very common in customer service.
Yes, my pleasure means I was happy to help you. It was a pleasure for me.
Very elegant response, and also very common in customer service.
Yes, if you work in customer service, my pleasure is a wonderful phrase to use.
Absolutely. Now, let's also talk about writing thank you in English, in cards or messages.
Oh, yes, this is important too. In a thank you card or message, you might write, "Thank you so much for the lovely gift."
Thank you so much for the lovely gift. Warm and sincere.
Or, "I just wanted to say a big thank you for all your help."
I just wanted to say a big thank you. Very natural and heartfelt.
Or in a more formal email, "I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your assistance."
I would like to express my sincere gratitude. Very formal and very professional.
Yes, you would use that in a business email or a formal letter.
Exactly. So the level of formality changes depending on the situation.
Yes, casual with friends, polite in public, formal at work.
Perfect summary. Now let's do a little role play to practice please and thank you together.
Great idea. I will start.
Emily, could you pass me that book, please? Of course. Here you go. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Alex, could you help me with this sentence, please?
Sure, no problem. How can I help?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Emily, would you like some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here you go.
Thank you very much. That is perfect.
That was a great little conversation. We used please and thank you so naturally.
We did, and it felt very warm and friendly. That is exactly what these words do.
Yes, they create a warm and respectful atmosphere in any conversation. Now, let's do a full review of everything we learned today.
Perfect. So we learned that please makes a request polite and friendly.
Please can go at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence.
Please is used when ordering food, asking for help, making requests, and accepting offers.
And the tone of please matters. Always say it with a warm and friendly voice.
We also learned that thank you shows gratitude and appreciation. We use thank you when someone helps us, gives us something, or does something kind. Thank you can be casual, thanks, cheers, or more formal. I appreciate it. I am very grateful. Common responses to thank you are, you are welcome, no problem, don't mention it, my pleasure. And in writing, we can say thank you so much, a big thank you, or I would like to express my sincere gratitude. That is a wonderful and complete review. So much useful vocabulary in one episode.
Yes. And now you can use please and thank you correctly and confidently in any situation.
Absolutely. These two small words will make your English sound so much more natural and polite.
Yes, people will notice and they will appreciate it very much.
They really will. And we have a lovely question for all of you today.
Yes, go to the comments below and tell us, how do you say please and thank you in your language?
Yes, write it in the comments. For example, in Spanish, please is por favor, and thank you is gracias. We would love to learn how to say please and thank you in all your different languages. That would be so much fun!
Yes, it will. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope this episode was helpful and enjoyable.
It was a beautiful episode, Emily. Please and thank you. Such important words. They really are. And to all our wonderful listeners, thank you so much for being part of our GFX English Learning Mentor Channel family. We appreciate every single one of you.
Yes, please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is learning English.
Until next time, keep practicing your English every single day. You are doing absolutely wonderful. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emily. And please keep watching. Thank you.